What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another reaction video. How does Polish sound abroad? Very intrigued to hear this. We know that Polish is one of, if not the hardest language to learn. I think it is the hardest language to learn. And so I'm interested to see how it sounds abroad to foreigners. Before we dive in, however, you guys have been absolutely incredible on this road to 1,000 subscribers. You guys have been smashing that subscribe button. We are just over 600. We are almost there, so don't let up now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash subscribe. Let's get right to it.
Hello, my name is Alexia and I'm from England.
I'm Nandita. I'm from Auckland, New Zealand, but born in Fiji.
Okay.
I'm Aaron Pittman. I'm from Somerset in England.
Hi, I'm Teresa. I'm from Taiwan.
What do you think? How Polish language sounds for you?
It's not sexy. Like Italian is sexy.
To be honest, it sounded a bit like Spanish to me. I don't know why.
Spanish?
Like you're trying to rap in Russian?
I think it's
I've never heard that. She said it sounds like you're trying to rap in Russian. That's very interesting. The first one is not that sexy, and I mean, yeah. But I feel that once it sounded like Spanish, I don't understand that one because those two sound nothing alike to me.
it sounds Russian,
Okay.
but not as like emphasized.
Hmm.
Like it's sort of like a quiet Russian.
A quiet
Like
Russian.
French is like bonjour, je m'appelle, like it's soft.
Okay.
And like it has sensual, but I don't know. Polish is like it, or it's similar to English. It's
It sounds really
How?
sounding wise, but I have no idea what you said and it was very fast.
I feel that.
With Polish is more you curl your tongue quite a bit with the way you talk. So some of the words can be really hard to pronounce.
Yeah.
to me,
I feel-
or even Russian can be sexy, but Polish is
Really?
it's not, maybe the way you speak, it's not harsh, it's not like really harsh.
It's almost unpronounceable.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Jeszcze nie książ brzmi w
See?
Yeah.
See? We I'm lost, bro. I'm like, what? Okay, so yeah, I agree with her probably. The way like you roll your tongue, my tongue don't roll. It don't roll not a bit. It's just very hard to pronounce a lot of y'all's words. And then when you see how they're spelled and the pronunciations, and it's like, yeah, I'm lost. I'm at a complete loss. But it sounds like, yeah, it's not a soft language. For sure, it's not a soft sounding language. It is, on the scale, it would definitely be leaning towards the harder language, like the way it sounds. But it's not harsh, just a harder language.
No, I can't even remember that. So there's no way.
It sounds like lots of D's and B's and dobra, żywe, żyble, żywe.
Bardzo ciężko pracujemy.
They're very level.
It's
How does
definitely
it
like
sound?
It's definitely like a quiet Russian.
Yeah.
Quiet
softer.
Russian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not as like mean and in your face.
You don't have a lot of
A quiet
vowel
Russian.
consonants that goes up and down, like you know with certain languages you have like how you say something and then that would like explain to you what you're meaning.
Your
It
inflection.
doesn't actually sound like that. It sounds like one tone. It doesn't go
Yes.
up and down, and it's really fast.
Dzisiaj jest piękna pogoda.
Piękna pogoda.
W Szczebrzeszynie chrząszcz brzmi w
See,
Szczecinie.
no way, no way, no way, no way. Yeah, there's no way I could ever learn. I could try. I could give it my best shot, but I couldn't learn how to speak Polish. I can't make those sounds. I cannot. I wish that I could. You guys are literally amazing for speaking this language. You guys are amazing. That was
W
crazy.
Szczebrzeszynie chrząszcz brzmi w Szczecinie.
Chef de
That's a
Shipshin.
tongue twister. I'm not even gonna
Yeah.
try.
No. Repeat it.
No.
Say that again.
Przygotowała
Przygotowała Przygotowała. I got you. I got you.
Studiowałam 5 lat.
Studiowałaś 5 lat.
Jestem farmaceutą
Jestem farmaceutą.
w Nowej Zelandii.
Nowej Zelandii.
Jestem farmaceutą.
Jestem farmaceutą.
Farmaceutą. Farmaceutą. Oh my gosh, even I
Farmaceuta.
sound bad. Oh, let's go.
Jestem
Farmaceutą w
farmaceutą.
Nowej Zelandii.
Nowej Zelandii. Jestem farmaceutą Nowej Zelandii.
It is quite difficult.
Okay.
So it will be
W
Szczebrzeszynie,
Nauki.
chrząszcz,
Szosz.
brzmi
Bushby.
w Trzcinie.
What?
W Trzcinie.
Virginia.
You're not making me say bad words, are you?
No. Never mind.
I'm trying. I'm giving it my best shot. My best shot just ain't gonna be good enough. I wish it was. It just isn't.
Dzisiaj będziemy... nie wiem co... Beautiful, you're very good.
No, I'm not. Stop lying.
No, I'm not.
Horrible. Look at all this.
It's good luck. Fiji.
Fiji. Okay.
Yeah, Fiji was good. Perfect.
Where do you think I'm from?
I know where you're from. Just Nandita.
Is that cake?
Cake is ciasto.
See, I knew I would know cake.
Cake Chiesto.
Her name was Barbara.
Barbara. Said this nice word in the morning.
I don't know. I don't know.
Experience, expression, expired.
Perception.
Perception.
Oh. Yeah, it's very tough. It's very tough to latch on to. Y'all let me know how y'all feel in the comment section. What do your friends say about how your language sounds to them that may be from abroad? Very intrigued. How does English sound to you guys? Well, no, you guys speak English now. Like, most of you, the young people speak English. So, yeah, you guys are just awesome, bro. That's all we got. If you happen to enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, check out the next one. I'll see you guys next time.